The Mobile World Congress 2021 has been organized in which city? Barcelona. The joint military exercise Mustafa Kemal Ataturk 2021 has held between which countries? Turkey and Azerbaijan. The first 2 units of the world's second biggest hydroelectric dam, the Behthin Dam, has operationalized. The dam has been constructed in which country? China. Who has been awarded the Fukuoka Grand Prix for 2021? Falagumi Sainath. The ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021 has been shifted to be held in UAE and Oman. Earlier, the tournament was to be held in which country? India. The Reserve Bank of India has released guidelines for outsourcing targeted at which category of banks? Cooperative banks. Asia's longest high-speed track, NATRAX, has been inaugurated in which city of India? Indore. With which of the following eastern neighboring country India has signed MOU in the field of health research? Myanmar. What is the rank of India in the Global Cyber Security Index 2020? Ten. Which one has released the index of 8 core industries? Office of Economic Advisor. The President of India laid the foundation stone for the Ambedkar Memorial in which state? Uttar Pradesh. Anshula Rao is the first woman cricketer to get a 4-year doping ban by the National Anti-Doping Agency. She is a domestic player who played for which state? Madhya Pradesh. In which of the following states Union Territories Delimitation Commission to visit on July 2021? Jammu and Kashmir. The Chartered Accountants Day is observed every year on which day? First July. Which country has topped the ITU Global Cyber Security Index 2020? United States.